Hello, I'm back with this question which is related to perfect square. All right, so let's read the question first. The question says, which of the following numbers is not a perfect square? So before we solve this question, you should be knowing what is a perfect square. Okay, a perfect square is a number. If it is square root, is a whole number. For example, if you take 16, whether it's a perfect square or not, to check that, you will do root of 16, which will give you 4 as an answer, which is a whole number. So you can say that 16 is a perfect square. Similarly, if you take 1 to 1, yeah, and if it is a perfect square or not, you take its root, and you know that the root is 11. So you can say that 121 is a perfect square. Let's check if it is 141, if it is a perfect square or not. For that, what will you do? You will take its root, and you know that the root of 141 is not a perfect square. Okay, root of 141 is not a whole number, but it is some decimal, like 11.87. So we say that this is not a perfect square. Okay, so for any number to be a perfect square, its root should be a whole number. That's a rule. Okay, so yeah. Now let's come back to the question here. And in this question, they have not given us a number, but they have given us the exponents, okay? For any number to be a perfect square, the number should have its exponent an even number, yeah? The number with an even exponent will be a perfect square. So let's check option A. Option A, base is 1, and the exponent is 2016, which is an even number. So this is a perfect square, okay? And here it is not, the exponent is not even number, so this is not yet. Okay, we are coming back here. Option C is 2018, so this is a perfect square, which is even. Here there is no even exponent, so we mark it cross. Now E, this should be the perfect square again, because the exponent is an even number, but they're asking us to choose one option, so we are ruling out option, so we are ruling out all, as we are looking for which is not a perfect square. So we are going to cross out option A, option C, and option E, because they all are perfect squares. We are left with only two options, which is B, which is B and D. Let's decide between them. So both are having, both are having odd exponents. So how will you decide? But if you look at their base carefully, yeah, this is 2 and this is 4. Can we rewrite this as 2 to the power of 2 and 2019? Okay, and as per the exponent law, you can multiply these two. So it gives you 2 to the power of 2 times 2019, which is nothing but 2 to the power of 4038, which turns out to be an even exponent. So we have just rewritten 4 to the power of 2019 as 2 to the power of 4038. And this is having only 2 to the power of 2017, which is odd exponent. This is even exponent. So the number which is not a perfect square is this, because it has an odd exponent, which is nothing but option B. So option B is going to be a correct answer. All right. I hope you have understood this question and you enjoyed solving this with me. And if you have any questions, doubts, is there anything, any part which you have not understood, please comment. Okay. Jai Hind. Thank you.